children, last day I taught you history lesson first as a revision, the rise of nationalism in Europe. In this chapter, I taught you unification of Italy and Germany. Now, look at the page number 21st, the strange case of Britain. The strange case of Britain. A long drawn out process. In Britain, the formation of the nation state was not a result of a sudden revolution. Instead, it was the result of a long drawn out process. Ethnic groups. There was a significant role of ethnic groups and their cultural identities. The primary identities of inhabitants of the British Isles were ethnic ones, such as English, Welsh, Scot, or Irish. All of these ethnic groups had their own cultural and political tradition, but as English nation steadily grew in wealth, importance and power, it was able to extend its influences over the other nations of the islands. The English Parliament. The English Parliament, which had seized power from the monarchy in 1688 at the end of a protracted conflict, was the instrument through which a nation state with England at its center came to be forged. Extension of influence. With the growth of English nation in terms of wealth, importance and power, it was able to extend its influence over the other nations of the islands. The Act of Union 1707 between England and Scotland resulted in the formation of the United Kingdom of Great Britain, admin in effect that England was able to impose its influence on Scotland, and British Parliament was henceforth dominated by the English members. Scotland's distinctive culture and political institutions were systematically suppressed. The Catholic clans that inhabited the Scottish Highlands suffered terrible impression whenever they attempted to defend their independence. Position in Ireland. Ireland was divided between Catholic and Protestants. The English helped the Protestants of Ireland to establish their dominance over a largely Catholic country. Catholic revolts against British dominance were suppressed. Now, incorporation. After the failed revolt led by Wolfe Tone and his United Irishmen, Ireland was forcibly incorporated into the United Kingdom in 1801. A new British nation was forged through the propagation of dominant English culture. They promoted their English language, national anthem and the British flag in Ireland also. Visualizing the nation. Allegory. Artists in the 18th and 19th century found a way out by personifying nations were then portrayed as female figures. The female figure became an allegory of the nation. In France, the female allegory was Christian Marine. Her characteristics were drawn from those of liberty and republic, the red cap, the tricolor, the coquette. Germania became the allegory of the German nation. Germania wears a crown of oak leaf as the German oak stands for heroism. Now, nationalism and imperialism. By the last quarter of the 19th century, the nationalists no longer retained its idealistic liberal democratic sentiment. Instead, the nationalist group became increasingly intolerant with each other and were ready to start war. Balkans. The source of the nationalist tension in Europe. The Balkan was region of geographical and ethnic variation. It comprised modern-day Romania, Bulgaria, Albania, Greece, Macedonia, Croatia, Bosnia, Herzegovina, Slovenia, Siberia, and Montenegro, whose inhabitants were broadly known as the Slavs. A large part of the Balkans was under the control of Ottoman Empire. The spread of the ideas of romantic nationalism in the Balkans, together with the disintegration of the Ottoman Empire, made this region too explosive. The Balkan states were firstly jealous of each other and each hoped to gain more territory from the others, leading to First World War. Each power, Russia, Germany, England, Austro-Hungary, was taken on counting the hold of the other powers over the Balkan and extending its control over the area. This led to a series of wars in the region and finally the First World War. Nationalism, allied with the imperialism, led Europe to disaster in the 1914. The anti-imperial movements that developed everywhere were nationalist because they all struggled to form an independent nation state. People everywhere developed their own specific variety of nationalism. The idea that societies should be organized into nation state was accepted by the people as natural and universal. Now important are learn, read and learn and write.